This is weird. I haven't been on one of these cameras in so long, dude. It's nice to finally have a screen to look at on the side. I know that I'm in frame, but this is nice. This is nice. So, I haven't been on YouTube. Yeah, it's been 2 months. So, what's up, guys? My name's Matt. I've been on YouTube in a while. But I'm just gonna show you a few pickups I've gone through, and I guess I'll title this like butter bricks. I don't know, because these aren't reselling, dude. But we got a few butters here. Let me go get those. These little bricks right here. So basically I have a few of these bricks. They're basically, they're my favorite V2 in all honesty. Don't flip. Like, I got 7 pairs of them for retail. I dropped them. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you all took L. I dropped all of these on my website for retail. I'm like, dude, I don't care about like what, it was like maybe $50 profit. I don't give a shit about $50. So I'm like, oh yeah, you guys could just have these. So, I dropped them for retail on my website, every single pair, and they're gone now. They went out of stock immediately. But if you weren't on the website, or if you didn't follow my Instagram, you took some L's. It was a dub. But you know, we got a couple of these. And then I have some more coming in the mail. I got a pair from Europe coming in, which is actually my size, so I'm probably just gonna wear it because, in my opinion, they're more comfortable than Ultra Boosts. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it because it's my favorite V2. On my long journey since I've been gone for 2 months, I bought these, which are extremely hard to find now. Started wearing these a lot more. These are the OG Ultra Boosts. Voila. And it's a very clean pair. Alright, I gotta get used to this. There we go. But yeah, clean pair. I got these off GOAT for $220. A lot of you don't know what these are. These are the Vaporfly 4%. Hit focus, come on, thank you. These are very hard to find, dude. Like, 4% just like went off the map because they're so limited. Lucky enough, my friend Brandon got some from the employee store for like $60 a piece, and then he resold these to me for retail. So I bought these for retail off him. They're still pretty close to brand new. These are my track shoes. Now, in all honesty, they're better than Zoom Flies, but in my opinion, they're not that much different because I have these Zoom Flies over here. Look, I have these Zoom Flies. These are the Oreo Zoom Fly SPs. So would I recommend getting these over this? Probably yeah, because the money you'd be saving is worth it. In my opinion, when you're running, they feel basically the same. They're both comfortable. These are just a little more comfortable, but they feel basically the same. Another pickup I got while I've been gone on my long journey, my long break. Okay, my 2-month break. Here's the Off-White Zoom Flies, which feel exactly the same as usual Zoom Flies, except for some reason they're twice as tight. So I had to get a 12 in these, and they feel a lot better than my size 11 Zoom Flies, which honestly were not as tight. But when I bought these, no biggie though. The issue with these is this is coming off right there, man, and I don't know what to do about this. But yeah, I might just glue it back on, but I don't want to ruin the suede. So if I ruin the suede, I'm gonna be pissed. They're really nice, but I mean, they're not worth the price they're going for. You could, like, I would just recommend getting the UNCs if you want them. But yeah, I just made this quick little video to announce your boy's back. It's been 2 months, and a big video that hit. It did pretty well. I got a few moves we're making. Should be back in LA in August, and we're just gonna be back on YouTube. So, hello guys, my name's Matt. If you haven't already, go down below and subscribe. Thank you for 11,000 subscribers. I haven't even been uploading, and you guys took me to another 1,000. So, shout out to the 1,000 that just followed on here. Make sure you guys go follow the other social medias in the description. I probably will barely edit this. I just want this up so you guys can see it. I'll see you guys next time. My name's Matt. Peace.